Hey, what's up, YouTube? As you can see, we're in my office, the garage. And look at that big old shiner. Oh boy, had a mishap at work with a flashlight. If y'all seen my Instagram post, I fell off a dang bucket. I was looking into a window on a call, and I had my flashlight in my hand. And the bucket cracked on me, and I come out on the flashlight. So, but hey, that's my first shiner in years, man. That's a good one, ain't it? So, but let's get to the video. In today's video, we are going to bring you the ultimate brim box making. Who doesn't love the brim fish, especially in South Georgia? So let's get to it. So first of all, you can see the Plano 3500. This is the 3500 series. This thing actually comes with 3 boxes, but I'm only going to use 2. It's just a little nice little thing you can throw and go. You can throw and go on this thing. Got 2 little side pockets. But we went to Walmart earlier today. Spent about $20 to get some Bream fishing gear. So let's see what we got in here. First of all, 6-pound strand monofilament. Man, I can't tell you the last time I threw monofilament line, but pretty cheap. Of course, got some little corks. Got some Eagle Claw number 4 hooks to go along with them. Corks. This is actually going to be put on a cane pole with them corks, and we're going to do some river floating this year with a good old cane pole, a bucket of crickets, and just catch some red breast. But got some split shots. Got 2 different sizes, a number 3 and a size number 5. Just 2 different size split shots. Yeah, they're lead for all you tungsten boys out there. They don't sell tungsten split shot. But I thought about throwing something else in my brim box. Some small baits. And of course, the good old trusty beetle spin. I kind of grew up on these things, man. It's got the red dot on the belly. Another lure that's good is a spin dandy. Crickets. You put a cricket on a spin dandy in the Geechee River, it'll blow your mind, man, what you catch. But I found these small baits made by Cream. They're like $1. So the first thing is a spoiler shad. I think that's the smallest swim bait I've ever seen in my life. These are 1.5 ounces. Are they? No, it might be 1.5 inches. I don't know. But yeah, small swim bait. Now, get to the juice here. When's the last time you seen a lipless? A lipless that small. This is a gray back lipless. Got a little bit of red on it. Got a little single hook. It looks like I'll say it might be a little brim color, little bass color, whatever. But it's got a single hook. Got me a little jerk bait in this sexy shad color. Little jerk bait. And as always, oh yeah, I got another sexy shad crankbait. Right. These things probably, golly, probably dive about a foot or something. And then, of course, good old crawdad or crawfish, whatever you want to call it. We call them crawdads here in the South. So yeah, we're gonna bring you a brim fishing explanage of videos, throwing these lures, just cane pole fishing. I've come up with some crazy ideas for a cane pole fishing video. I'm not gonna spoil it, but y'all have to tune into the channel. But yeah, that's it. That's what we bought at Walmart. Golly, line and tackle, hooks and everything cost me about $20. So I've already got my rod and reels. Us South Georgia boys, we use that old zip code 33. So join us here on the channel for more. Man, we got a lot of stuff going on. If you can see my computer back here, let me turn it back on for you. That's the YouTube side. This side over here, this side right here, over my left shoulder. That's the Trello board. If you don't know anything about Trello, it's just a kind of keeps you organized, and you can put photos. You can write your descriptions in there, so you would have everything listed. I've got everything listed out for the next couple months to do. Just keeps me help organized in the content creation world. So once again, make sure you subscribe, you like this video. As we bring you the brim, we got a brim fishing series going on. We're going to have a bank bass fishing series, and right on down to customizing your own baits. There's a company out of Brooklet, Georgia. Everybody knows them. Spike It Outdoors, or Lure Works. So they sell some paint that you can make, buy your own swim baits and kind of doctor them up and things like that. So, and dipping your blades with spinner baits or chatter baits, stuff like that. So we're going to do a little bit of everything on the channel. So once again, thank you for watching. As always, if you're out on the water in your kayak, wear your PFD, and we're going to bring you, we're not getting rid of the kayak. We're going to bring you we're just going to do a lot more different type fishing out of the kayak. So that's the reason why we changed the channel to the real backwaters, because we're going to be hitting some creeks, we're going to be wading some creeks, some small rivers, hitting everything, ponds, things like that. So thank you for joining the channel. Make sure you subscribe, and always wear your PFD and fish on.